Yes. Now to know how many tiles are required, what we have to do? Total area we can divide by area of one tile, so that we'll get what is the number of tiles we needed. Yes. We'll write here number of tiles. Sorry, number of tiles he needed is equal to what we write better here first? Area of kitchen, total area of the rectangle by, we write here area of one tile. So what is the total area of kitchen? Which is 39,600 square centimeters. What is the area of one tile beta? Which is 100 square centimeters. You can cancel beta. Square centimeter cancel. 1 0 1 0 cancel. One more 0 1 0 cancel. So total how many? 396 tiles we need. Yes. We can write here number of tiles he needed. Yes. How many tiles he needed beta? Sir, he need 396 tiles. Yes, children, let's see some applications based on area and perimeter of square and rectangle. Here we have an example beta, practice time B bit. You can see the fencing of a square garden is 20-meter length. Fencing of a square garden. So here we have one square garden there it seems. So the fencing of the square garden is how much? 20 meter. So total fencing is how much? 20 meter it seems. So it means they covered the total boundary with 20 meters of wire. So total length of the boundary is how much? 20 meter it seems. And if it is the square, we know that all the four sides are equal in a square. How long is one side of the garden? So what is the length of one side of this square garden? We have to find. So it is easy, brother. You can see once the fencing of a square garden is 20 meter length. It means what we can write here? We can write total length of the boundary. Yes, we can write total length of the boundary. So total length of the boundary is equal to how much? 20 meters. Fencing of a square garden. Fencing is nothing but they are going to cover the total boundary. So total boundary when they covered, how much they found length? 20 meters. So this 20 will become total length of the boundary. So what do we call this total length of the boundary, beta? It is called perimeter of which garden? Square garden. So total length of the boundary is also called as perimeter. So here it is the perimeter of square garden. Yes, it is perimeter of square garden, which is equal to how much? This will write as it is 20 meters. What is the formula we have perimeter of square garden? Yes, we have the formula to know perimeter of square, which is 4 into side. So 4 into side is equal to how much? 20 meters. Now from here we need to find what is the length of the side. So how can we find length of the side? To find the length of the side, this into 4 we need to transpose RHS beta is equal to 20 meters. So when into 4 we transpose RHS, it becomes division. So if you transpose a division, it becomes into. If you transpose plus, it becomes minus. Minus if you transpose plus. Hope it is clear. Plus when we transpose, it becomes minus beta. Minus if you transpose plus. Into if you transpose division. Division if you transpose into. So here into 4 we will transpose. So into if I transpose division. Sir, why we will transpose? To know the length of the side, we have to make side alone, separate. Now 20 and 4, what is the highest common factor? 4 is the highest common factor of 20 and 4. So let us divide with the common factor. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Yes. Side is equal to how much beta? Side is equal to 5 meters. Means one side length is 5 meters. Even this also how much? 5 meters, 5 meters, 5 meters. Square all the four sides are equal. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. You can see here total length of the boundary is 20 meters only. So that is the way we can find the length of the side when we know the perimeter. Children, you can see one more example, one more application based on this area and perimeter of rectangle. A thin wire is 20 centimeter long. Yes, they have one thin wire, it seems, which is 20 centimeters long. Now this is the wire which is 20 centimeter long, it seems. With the help of this wire, they made a rectangle. Yes, this wire, like they will bend like this, but they will bend here. Yes, they will bend this wire and they will make a rectangle, it seems. Yes, with the help of that, they made a rectangle. If the width of the rectangle is 4 meters, width is also called as breadth. How much it is? 4 centimeters. What is the length? They are asking what is the length of the rectangle. Now can you tell me what is the relation between these two? Sir, the total length of the wire is 20 centimeters. So they are going to bend this wire and they are going to make in the shape of rectangle. So in this process we can see that even here I can see the total length of the boundary is how much? 20. The reason is with the help of this 20 centimeter wire only they made a rectangle. So we can observe here the total length of the wire is equal to total length of the boundary. So what do we call this total length of the boundary? Total length of the boundary is called as perimeter. So indirectly they said perimeter of this rectangle is how much? 20 centimeters. Hope it is clear. So writing here given perimeter of rectangle, or we can write length of the wire. Length of wire is equal to how much? 20 centimeters. So the length of the wire is going to become what now? Total length of the boundary of the rectangle. It means it is going to become what? Perimeter of rectangle. Yes, it is going to become perimeter of rectangle. How much we can take now? Which is 20 centimeters. What is the formula we have to find the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B is equal to 20 centimeters. So here we know the value of breadth 2 into L plus, what is the breadth? 4 centimeters. Submit 4 centimeters in the place of breadth is equal to 20 centimeters. Now from here we need to find the value of length. So except length, remaining all the terms we need to transpose RHS so that we can make it length is alone, then we can get the value of length. So first we can transpose this into 2 RHS. So when it transpose into 2, it becomes division. So the remaining leftover part is L plus 4 centimeter is equal to 20 centimeters. So when I transpose into 2, it becomes division 2. 20 by 2. What is the common factor? 2 table. So let us divide with 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. So L plus 4 centimeter is equal to how much? 10 centimeters. So still to know the length plus 4 we need to transpose RHS. So length is equal to 10 centimeters plus 4 if we transpose minus 4 centimeters. So length is equal to 10 minus 4 which is 6 centimeters. What is the length beta? 6 centimeters. In rectangle opposite sides are equal. So even this also length how much? 6 centimeters. Opposite of this is 4 centimeters. So both are equal. In rectangle opposite sides are equal. Still you have a doubt? You can add all the lengths. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 4 20, which is equal to length of the wire. Hope it is clear. Children, you can see here they give an application based on the square area of square. A square carrom board has perimeter is 320 centimeters. How much its area? So question is about square. We know square has four sides and all the four sides are equal length. So he given perimeter is 320. It means total length of the boundary is equal 320. How many boundaries? Four equal boundaries. Length of four equal boundaries is 320 centimeter. It seems. Ask you to find how much its area. So let us write the given first. So he given perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. So what is the perimeter of square beta? Perimeter of square carom board will write. Perimeter of square carom board is equal 320 centimeters. What they are asking, how much its area? Whose area? Square. So area of square they are asking to find. So what is the formula we have to find area of square? Side into side. What is the length of the side? We don't know. Now we need to find the length of the side. So how can you find length of the side? With the help of this, we need to find the length of the side. After getting the length of the side, we can submit here, which gives area of the square carom board. Now try to find the side of a square. What is the perimeter of a square? Perimeter, total length of the boundary of four equal sides. We have a formula like 4 into side. Yes, 4 into side is equal to how much? 320 centimeters. Now find the side beta. Side is equal to 320 centimeters. This into 4 if a transpose, division 4. So let us simplify this both. What is the common factor? 4 table common factor. 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32, 4 0 0. So I got now side is equal to how much? 80 centimeters. So once if you know the side of a square, we can find area of square carom board. Yes. Now we'll write area of square carom board. Area of square carom board is equal to. So what is the formula to find the area of square? Side into side. So how much I got side? 80 centimeter into 80 centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter we can write square centimeter. As I said, the units of area is square units. 80 into 80. Multiply constants. 8 8s are 64. Then we have 2 zeros. You can keep 2 zeros. 6400 square centimeters. It is area of square carom board. Hope it is clear. You can see the logic here. To know the area of square, we need to find the length of side. So with the help of this, I got length of side. After getting length of side, you know how to find the area. Children will see here now F bit. Complete the table. They gave some table and asked you to complete. Here it is based on perimeter, area and length, breadth. Here you can see beta card prepared by Sanya. Length she took 10 centimeters and width she took 8 centimeters. By taking the length 10 centimeters and width 8 centimeters, she prepared a card. Now they are asking find what is the perimeter of the card which is prepared by Sanya with this length and width. Same time asking to find area also. So let us see here first one. This will take first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So let us go with first solution method. Yes. In first one what they given here, we'll write here it is about Sanya. Right. So what she took beta? She took length is equal to length. Let write here L beta. L means length. Length 10 centimeters she took and breadth she took 8 centimeters. Now what they are asking to find us? Perimeter of the card. Yes. Now we need to find here perimeter of card. Perimeter of card. See here, length, breadth are different. It is in rectangle shape. It is in rectangle shape. Keep in mind. So what is the length? She said here, length is equal to 10 centimeter. It seems. Sorry. and width we used to call breadth also, which is 8 centimeters. So when the length and breadth are different numbers, it is a rectangle. If the length and breadth are both same, it is a square. Suppose the length 10, breadth also 10, it is a square. Length and breadth are different, it is a rectangle. So we have to find perimeter of a card. Which shape it is in? Rectangle shape. Why it is called rectangle shape? How we know it is rectangle shape? Sir, your length and breadth are different, so it is in rectangle shape. So when it is rectangle shape, to find the perimeter, what formula we have? Yes, we have 2 into L plus B. Now submit what here is equal to 2 into, what is the length he gave? 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters plus, what is the breadth? 8 centimeters. Now we can simplify this, is equal to 2 into 10 plus 8, 18 centimeters. And you know one thing, this bracket means into. Multiply 2 into 18, 18 to 36 centimeter. So perimeter of card is how much? Here you can write 36 centimeters. Similarly, we have to find the area also. Yes, we'll find area of the card. Area of card. What is meant by area? Area means the space occupied by a closed figure, 2D figure. Area of card. That card in which shape? Rectangle shape. Length and breadth are different. So in bracket I write here, it is in rectangle shape. So when it is rectangle shape, to find the area of such card, what is the formula we have? Length into breadth is equal. What is the length better here? 10 centimeter. Length is 10 centimeter into, what is the breadth? 8 centimeter. So is equal to 10 8s are 80. Centimeter into centimeter. We'll write like this and we'll read as square centimeter. Why here 2 times there no? So power 2 came here. 80 square centimeters. So here I can write 80 square centimeters. So like that, we need to fill this table. We have to complete this table. If you go to second, so second card is prepared by who beta? Manav. Right. So here they gave only length is 11 centimeter and perimeter is 44 centimeter. Ask you to find what is the width and what is the area. So to know the area, we have the formula length into breadth. Length into breadth. So we don't know the breadth. First we have to find the breadth. So what is the given data here? Sir, the given length they given. How much length they give beta? Which is 11 centimeters. And also they gave perimeter. Yes. What they gave here? Perimeter. So perimeter is equal to how much? 44 centimeter. Perimeter is equal to 44 centimeter. Yes. Now here it is in rectangle shape. So let me write here perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. So what is the formula we have to find perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B is equal to 44 centimeter. 44 centimeter. Now this into doing transpose, it becomes division. Let me write this beta. L plus B is equal to 44 centimeter. When I transpose into two RHS, it becomes a division by 2. 2 ones are 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Here L plus B is equal to how much it is? 22 centimeters. And here they said length is equal to 11 centimeters. Length is equal to how much? 11 centimeters. Now submit here length is equal to how much? 11 centimeters plus breadth is equal to how much? 22 centimeters. Now we need to find the breadth. Breadth is equal to 22 centimeters plus 11 if I transpose minus 11. So minus 11 centimeters and breadth is equal to 22 minus 11, which gives us 11 centimeters. How much it is? 11 centimeters. So breadth is equal to how much? 11 centimeters. Sorry, It is not rectangle, it is in square shape. It is in square shape because length is 11 centimeters, width also 11 centimeters. When length and width are same, it is called a square shape. It is called a square shape. Then here we took the rectangle formula now. Means just we are taking a sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. 2 length plus 2 breadth. Or we can take a 4 into side also. But before that we don't know whether it is rectangle or square shape. Okay na? So now we have to find the area. So here length is 11 centimeters, width also 11 centimeters. So it is in square shape. So we know how to find the area of the square. Yes. So how can we find the area of square? Area of square is equal. Area of square is equal. What is the formula? Side into side is equal 11 centimeter into 11 centimeters. 11 are 121 square centimeters. So here we can take 121 square centimeters. 121 square centimeters. Hope it is clear. Here we can take directly area of square. The reason length and breadth are same. Length and breadth are same. Yes. You can go for next one. ROC. Third one is ROC. Chord prepared by ROC. Yes. Here what I said. Length we don't know. Sorry, ROC length we don't know. Width is 8 centimeters. The given breadth is 8 centimeters and area is equal to how much? 80 centimeters square. Area is equal to how much? 80 centimeters square. So what I should find? Length we have to find. So we have to find the length and also we have to find the perimeter. We have to find the perimeter. Yes. Now we'll write the perimeter formula here. Perimeter of a chord. Perimeter of a chord. So we don't know it is in this shape. It is a rectangle shape or square shape. We don't know. So let me take here. It is the rectangle shape. They give length and breadth now. I am taking rectangle shape. If this square shape also, nothing is wrong. Okay now. So perimeter of rectangle chord. What is the formula we have? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Alright. So they gave here width. So they gave here width and they gave here area. Asking to find a length and perimeter. Length and perimeter. Yes. Now here better you can take area. They gave area now here. We'll go with area better. Sorry, no need of this. We'll go with area. The reason we want area now. Yes. With the help of this simplify. Area of rectangle length into breadth is equal to how much? 80 square centimeters. So in the place of breadth we write 8. L into breadth is 8 centimeter is equal to how much? 80 square centimeters. Now let us find the length beta. Length is equal to 80 square centimeters by 8 centimeters. Here 1 centimeter cancel, 1 left. 8 ones are 8 tens are. Length is equal to how much? 10 centimeters. Yes. Length is equal to 10 centimeters. Now we have to find the perimeter. We know the length and breadth. See, length is equal to 10, breadth is equal to 8. So length and breadth are different. So which formula you can take to find the perimeter? Yes, we take perimeter of rectangle. The reason length and breadth are different, we take perimeter of rectangle. Or you can go with sum of all sides also. Okay na? Right. So here length and breadth are different. I can go with rectangle formula. Perimeter of rectangle. Yes. What is the formula we have? 2 into L plus B is equal to 2 into what is the length? 10 centimeter plus what is the breadth? 8 centimeter. Simplify this 2 into 10 plus 8, 18 centimeters. 8 into 36 centimeters. 36 centimeters. Already we got the same. Now here Kabir, the card prepared by Kabir, no length, no width. but he said perimeter is 40 and he said area is 100. Area is 100. So we don't know first of all which shape it is. But he gave length and breadth, no? So we'll take generally it is in rectangle shape when it has length and breadth. So we'll find out length and breadth. After getting the length and breadth, we can decide exactly it is which shape, square shape or rectangle shape. So here they given perimeter. So as it has length and breadth, we imagine that it is a rectangle. Perimeter is equal to how much they give it? 40 centimeter. And area is how much here? Area is equal to 100 square centimeters. You can see perimeter of length and breadth he gave. So I am thinking like it is rectangle shape. Perimeter of rectangle formed by what? 2 into L plus B is equal to how much? 40 centimeters. So L plus B is equal to 40 centimeters. This into 2 if I transpose by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 20s. So L plus B is equal to 20 centimeters. To simplify this area from the what? Side into side, or we can take length into breadth also. Here we have length and breadth, we'll go with length and breadth into 100 square centimeters. Now see better, by adding length and breadth should get 20 it seems. By multiplying length and breadth should get 100 it seems. Now imagine now which numbers I can take to satisfy these two conditions. Yes. L into B, can I make this better? 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Sir, who told you 10 and 10? If I multiply 10 tens are, which gives 100. If I add this to 10 plus 10, which gives 20 centimeters. Yes. If length 10 centimeter plus breadth 10 centimeters, so this both is equal to how much? 20 centimeters means 10 tens are 100, 10 plus 10 20. So better we can go with length 10, breadth also 10. Understood that? By multiplying these two, 10 tens are we get 100. By adding these two, 10 plus 10 we get 20. So we'll go with length is 10 centimeters and width is 10 centimeters. Both are same. So I think he prepared which type of card? Square card. Hope it is clear to all.